Okay, as you guys can see, we are about to go down a three steps thing. So you first of all you comb the hair. Once you comb the hair like this, and after that you set your clipper to feet, zero feet. Then you begin. You can decide to begin here or here, but I always begin at the back like this. Take it to skin like this. Take it to skin like this, as you guys can see, skin fade. Make sure you clear all the hair under before take it to skin like this. So once you take it to skin like this, the next step is to use the number one. So this is the number one. Put it on the clipper like this. Then you take it around to do the same around like this. See? Because the gap is very, very important. If you don't create the gap, it might be difficult to get the skin fading very well. So you first of all take it like this. You see? Yes. Take it like this. After that, use the number two. I want to take it like this. Take it like this, as you can see. So once you take it like this, after that, use the number one again. At this point, you can use the 1.5 for the number one, but I always use the number one. And you slide it like this. Slide it like this. That one, you take it around the head. Yes, I do barber left and right. Take it like this. As you guys can see, around. So once you take it around, now use this clipper and brush, then do the fading like this. Do the fading like this. Sweet like this. Then you take it like this. Take your time. As for the fading, no rushing. Just take your time. Go it this way and turn it like this. Here it's very, very important. Take it like this. You need to use brush like this. So first of all, you turn the clipper like this. Do the fading like this. So after that, you turn it like this. Very small, very little, fast, but not too higher. You see? So like this. Do the same around the head. like this. Fading is one of the trending haircuts. So if you don't know how to do proper fading, you need to learn. If you're watching me, try stay connected on my page. I have a lot for you guys. Take it like this. So, like that. You want the hair to come down, depending on the size you want. So I'll use the number one. Take it like this. As you guys can see, this is how it is. Take it low like this. Like this. Then you use 1.5 level up like this. It's the 1.5. 1.5 leveling up. So number one is started from West Africa, Ghana. You know. So after that, use the brush. Let the let the client feel comfortable, during haircuts. After that, use some more food like this. After that, use the number one again. There's the number one, leveling up the final level like this. So at this point, this is the final level. You guys can see. Final level. That's the final level. You take it like this. So you're done with the fading. Spray water. Use the brush. Brush it. And see if everywhere is equal. The final level. And the final level. So after that, enhancement will take place. Enhancements will take place like this. So once you apply the enhancement, the next thing to do is shape cutting. The next thing to do is shape cutting. take it like this, brush it very decent, not too rough. You don't need to make the dye too plenty, just a little bit. You brush it a little bit on the down like this, not too high. So after that, use your scissors. So we're about to cut the shape. The shape cutting. Orange. So like this. See, then you take it here and you take it here.